Hello people, today I wanted to show you how you can smooth polygons to do separate, to smooth separate polygon because I found the solution. It is possible to do that in Blender because there is like modifier smooth and we have vertex group. What I did, I created a vertex group because you can assign vertex group to selection. Okay, I add assign smooth, and when you choose vertex groups smooth and you turn edit mode on, and look what I will do. You can see that I only smooth I only was able to smooth that selection which relates to vertex group. As you can see, it is still possible to smooth polygon, separate polygon in Blender. I wanted to show you because I see this important. Okay, I will try to create something else. Maybe door handle, whatever. No, I cannot dissolve this. After when I add it in the middle edge. Now I will show you because I will test polygon because you can still assign or apply modifier. What I want to do in a minute, I want to subdivide the polygon. Just give me couple minutes. Control F, poke face. Okay, I will try to subdivide because you don't get straight results. This is not what we want. You can smooth vertices or you can use a smooth modifier. Vertex group top, assign, smooth. Ah, okay, because I didn't choose this. You can see only top of polygon is being changed. I hope you like my video tutorial. After that you can apply modifier and you can smooth it out. Shade smooth, normals, auto smooth. Now we have beautiful polygon. I hope you like my video tutorial and have a nice day.